to my channel. Today's video is going to be a night routine. I have not filmed with these in like a year. I think it's been so long. That's crazy. What the heck? I can kind of show you guys what my nights look like after my day at work as a dental hygienist. I literally just got out of work 10 minutes ago. I got out early today. It's only 4:30 and I normally get out at 5, so I'm very excited about that. I actually had a pretty good day at work today. If you watched one of my last videos, I did a week in my life as a dental hygienist, and I had probably the worst week that I've had so far, and it just happened to be the one week that I filmed my life. There was a lot of like stuff going on during that week though, so I would love to report that I'm doing better now, and I actually have my first therapy session planned next Tuesday, and I'm really looking forward to it. I obviously am nervous, but I think it's what I need. I have so many things that I need to work through. Basically what life is about is just figuring stuff out about yourself that you didn't know, so I'm excited to have that next week. But with that being said, I did have a better day today. I had 2 SRPs and then 2 new patients. So basically my night routines during the week, I feel like it depends on my mood if I go to the gym or not. I try to keep up with going to gym. Sometimes I'm just way too exhausted after work where I like literally cannot even physically stand up for like an hour longer, so I don't go to the gym. But I am gonna go today, and I think I'm just gonna try to go to the gym that my apartment has. The only thing about going to the gym after work at like 5:30 is that it's the busiest time at the gym, so I just don't like that. And then I plan on going to get groceries, which I hate going to get groceries here. It's always so busy and it's just a hassle, but I'm gonna go to Aldi because their groceries are so cheap compared to like Meijer or Walmart. I've been going to Aldi so much more now and I love it. Yeah, we'll come back, shower, relax, make some dinner. I don't really know what I want to have for dinner. Probably something pretty simple. Tomorrow is my last work day of the week and I'm so excited. Also, I'm gonna put in some laundry, mainly my scrubs, because I only have 2 pairs of black scrubs and both of them are dirty, so I need to throw them into the washer. My washer is awful, so I usually put them in, well, it's like a 2-in-1, so I put them in the washer and then I have to hang them up to dry throughout the night. So that's what we're doing. I've literally been taking my laundry to like my boyfriend's and doing laundry there, or to my parents if I go home for the weekend. Like somehow it always works out and I always have a place to do laundry every week, but I hate it because I just wish I could do it here. I mean, I can do it here, but I have to pay for it and it's just dumb. Okay.
On your cheeks, 'cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by.
Hey guys, currently on my vlog. I went to the gym at my apartment and I did 3 leg workouts. Yeah, there's another guy in there, so, and it's like a really small, so I just felt weird being in there, so I was gonna go back, but I don't, what if he's like still in there and then it's just like awkward. Yeah, I'm going for my walk around the apartment and I don't think I'm gonna go. So I was definitely talking while I was walking, and then somebody was driving like really slow, or like they were hidden behind trees like in a very odd spot, like in the middle of the road, and it was kind of creepy, so I got scared. I just finished my walk. I think it was like a mile, 1.25 miles or something like that. But my legs, after I like went to the workout area in my apartment, my legs were literally like shaking, just because I haven't done those workouts in a long time, like just using dumbbells. Usually I'll use like machines or do squats or something. So I was really struggling. I was gonna go to Aldi, but now I'm realizing I'm leaving tomorrow night, which is Thursday night, to go up to Big Rapids, and then I won't be back until Sunday because I am going dress shopping for my sister's wedding, which is so crazy. But yeah, so I won't even be here all weekend, so it's just pointless to go grocery shopping if I'm not even gonna be here. So I'll have to find something to make. I might make a protein smoothie tonight, and then tomorrow for lunch, I don't know, I'll have to figure out what to take. I'm gonna shower now. It's literally not even 6 o'clock yet, which is so amazing. Like, I feel like I still have so much time tonight. I am gonna read as much as I can because, you guys, I am reading the Caraval, last book in the Caraval series, the finale, and I have been reading this book for over a week, and I'm in like the biggest book slump because I'm just like, I'm not into the book at all. But I also really want to finish it because I want to finish the series so I can read Once Upon a Broken Heart in like the future when I pick that up. So I'm in a big dilemma because I'm also filming a reading vlog this week, and I'm like, I need to read it for the vlog, but if it's not, like, I'm just not in it at all. It's not catching my interest right now, so, and I'm like halfway through it. I'm gonna go shower and do all that. I don't have to wash my hair or anything, so it's gonna be a super quick shower. Oh, my laundry's done, so I need to hang that as well. Let's do it. Yay. I'm glad I got my workout done though. I feel so much better.
It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning.
Okay, here we are making my protein smoothie. First, use a banana. Also, something really funny, I'm listening to Destiny and Sarah's podcast right now, and they're talking about how like going on walks in their neighborhood and how they hate it and how they get scared super easily. And I just thought that was funny because I literally just talked about that. Like, that is why I don't like going on walks here, but I'm trying to do it more often so I'm not scared, because I literally love going on walks. Like, it's one of my favorite things to do. Just listening to music or a podcast and just like completely zoning out, and I just feel like my best when I do that. I don't know, so I just thought that was funny. But I'm gonna put some frozen blueberries in next. Usually I use strawberries, but I'm all out of strawberries, so that reminds me that I need to actually get some soon. I don't know how much I put in. I just put in a little bit to make it sweeter. Next, I'm gonna put in some oatmeal. I just started doing this recently, and it just makes it so much better. I don't know why, but I probably should measure it out, but I'm not going to. Just like probably half a cup, I don't really know. And then I'm gonna put in my protein powder. This is from Orgain. It says the organic protein powder in chocolate, and it has 21 grams of plant protein. So I really like this, it tastes really good. I wanna try the vanilla kind. I love chocolate, but I feel like vanilla would be really good too. So I just do 1 scoop of this. I don't know why, but protein powder scares me. Like, I feel like it's just gonna make me gain a lot of weight, but I'm gonna use a spoonful of peanut butter. There's also protein in this too, which helps. And lastly, I just use some milk. I'm also gonna add some more ice in this to make it thicker. And then we blend. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
So comfortable, one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical.
Okay guys, I have officially showered. I hate the glare, oh my gosh. I just showered and I took care of my dishes. I am officially like settled for the night. I love that. It's only 6:30. Wow. But yeah, I'm gonna reply to comments because I just posted my video today, my week in my life, the dental hygienist. Getting a lot of good feedback so far, so I love that. Go check it out if you haven't already. But I'm gonna reply to some comments, possibly like plan out some more videos. Yeah, I've just been feeling like really inspired recently, so I love that for me. Then I'm gonna read the book that I have to read. I don't have to, but I really want to finish it, just because like, what's the point of reading a series if you're not even gonna finish the last book, you know? I have to read that tonight. I have to. That's the plan for now. There's a spider right there, so that's awesome.
When you walk in the room, when you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel.
Hi guys, it is the next day. I just wanted to come on here and end today's video. I just got out of work. It's, like I said, it's the next day and I'm officially on my weekend. I'm so happy. I look forward to this weekend. Like I said, we are going dress shopping for my sister for her wedding, so that will be super fun. Yeah, my legs are also so sore from doing those leg workouts yesterday. I feel like I didn't even do that much. It was just the fact that I haven't done those in so long. Like, it was just switching it up. So I don't know, my legs are dead. But anyways, I am going to end today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I'm really excited to like get back into my lifestyle videos. I really want to incorporate more reading videos as well, so yeah, just comment below anything that you want to see from me. Somebody also said in one of my last videos that they wanted to see a board video, like dental hygiene board video. Maybe I'll do like a Q&A on that. I don't really know. Comment down below if you want to see something like that, or like ask me questions. Give me ideas of something for that, because I can't just like tell you what was on the board exam, so I don't know. But that is everything. I will see you guys in my next video.
So lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight.